Hello, here we are at a newly renovated home in central Eugene. It's very close to Oakway Center, the mall, different shopping centers, river trails, and it's in a community of houses that from the outside look like they're a little bit older, a little bit could be run down. But this house, like I said, is newly renovated and it blew my mind. So I'll show you inside, but first I'd like to note, look at this sidewalk. Have you ever seen anything like that before? Beautiful. Alright, I'll show you. Alright, let's go. So as you walk in, you'll notice that there's this spacious front living room and it has a lovely fireplace, but the fireplace goes on the other side as well. So it's a dual fireplace, very cool. And I love the layout of this kitchen and dining room area. There's that lovely chandelier here. It's like a farmhouse chandelier. There is a farmhouse sliding door that leads into the laundry room. And I'll show you that. There's also extra storage space in here as well. Lots of cabinets. Your guest bathroom is right here. But I'll lead you back to the kitchen because there's some cool things that I want to note. First of all, the island and the countertops is all made out of this beautiful marble. Look at the design in this. It's so gorgeous. There is a 6 stovetop gas grill. Everything is stainless steel, and there's a lot of cabinetry to store things. There's a farmhouse sink, which I love these sinks. I think this kitchen is overall gorgeous. I love the fireplace touch to it, and I love this dining room area. But one of the things that just kind of blew my mind about this house is this room right here. Normally, I do not like wood ceilings, wood walls, anything, but they did this wood ceiling so beautifully that I love it. I'm stunned by it. And I love this giant fireplace in the corner. You could either paint that or leave it how it is because I think it looks very modern and it looks really cool. But this is like a sunroom. You could have a jacuzzi out here, you could have a lot of chairs, you can entertain people, and it leads out to your backyard, which it has a stone patio, kind of like the sidewalk we saw earlier. There's a grass area, the fencing is brand new, and the coolest part is it looks over the Oakway Golf Course. Room as well, we have the master bedroom, and there is this extra room right here which I assume leads out to the garage. But you have not just one but 2 walk-in closets, one for you, one for your spouse. You have a space for your bed which already has nice sconces on the wall. And, oh, look at this. Large farmhouse sliding doors, double vanity, toilet with a closed off door, and a large walk-in shower with beautiful tile work. I haven't really seen anything like this before, but I do love the large tiles going around it, and I just think that's beautiful. It gives it a nice pop of color. So right off of the kitchen, we have this large floating shelf pantry, and we've got room A, new carpet, newly painted walls, and a closet. Across the hallway, we have a bathroom with a lovely vanity, toilet, full bath, nice shower and tub combo. And right down the hall, we have 2 more rooms, which are pretty much the same as the first room that you saw. except this one has its own bathroom and a funky little vanity light. And room B, the closet. No bathroom in this one. But what I really like, at the end of this hallway, there's lots of storage space too. So that does it for this house. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. 구독, 좋아요 해주세요.